Get acquainted with the 2021 Chrysler Voyager. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this surprisingly affordable Chrysler Voyager, the passenger-focused vehicle that leverages comfort, convenience, and versatility. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, rear AC. Make the journey relaxing for all in this family-friendly Voyager. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.